What's up, guys? Welcome back to 5W Tech. It is Tech Chat Monday, and we're doing something a little bit different this Monday. We're completely changing the structure on how we do this. We're doing 5 quick tech articles, 1 minute each, and then at the end of the articles, we're picking one hot subject, and then we're going to talk about it for about 5 minutes or so, depending on how juicy the information is and how important it is and how relative it is to the tech world. So this way we get to cover some cool stuff. You get to explore more about it if you are interested, and then we get to pick what we think is the topic of the week, the flavor of the month, or the flavor of the week, as I like to say. So, Roberto, you've got 1 minute on each article. Are you ready? Do you
Not
want to
really.
share screens? What do you mean not ready?
I do not.
What are you doing?
Not really much. I'm enjoying your keyboard background.
Yes, you are, and I see that you are stuck in 3440 by 140
Oh no.
again, ultra wide.
Oh no.
Guys, 21 by 9 is fantastic, but it
Oh
doesn't
no.
work. It doesn't work when you're doing regular stuff on YouTube. Always switch to 16 by 9.
Oh no.
What's the matter with you?
Oh no. All right.
Let's see
Sharing
what you
screen.
got.
Start
Are
sharing.
you at a more normal aspect ratio?
I am.
Perfect. Okay.
You ready?
So we're starting it off. You got 1 minute on each article. I will give you a 5-second warning. And go.
All right. First article of the week here is the usual flavor that we love to talk about. The 3080 Ti. The 3080 Ti returns. So MSI Ventus 3X OC custom flavors were spotted. The shipments have started. This card is on its way. So this comes from WCCF Tech. As we've previously mentioned in the past, this card was supposed to come out in April. April's going to be gone soon, in another week or so. But it's been delayed till May, and here is proof that these things are being shipped out. 3080 Ti, Ventus 3X, 12 gig OC.
Whoa.
It's on its way, my friend.
Wow,
Be
MSI,
prepared.
the scalping
MSI.
company.
Yep. This card is on its way. We know it's coming with similar specs to the 3090, with just half the memory size.
10-second warning.
Oh, 10 seconds. So guys, it's on its way. It's on its way. It's on its way. Get your money ready for a card that will not be able to be purchased. And next article comes from WCCF Tech. DLSS will be added to Unity Engine before the end of 2021. What this means is Nvidia is going to be having its technology in the 2 to 3 biggest game engines in the world: Crysis Engine, Crytek, Unity, Unreal. DLSS has now been implemented in all 3 engines.
Wow.
So future games in development, all they need to do is add on the plugin, and DLSS will be available for Nvidia users to bask in the glory of increased performance and better image quality.
On any game.
And any game that uses these engines and the developer enables it via plugin.
Nice.
So it's going to be easy to implement, so I don't see why they wouldn't do this.
Nice.
So Unity, everybody knows what Unity is being used for. So some big games coming up, like Valheim actually uses Unity. Oddworld, Wasteland 3, Phasmophobia, which we need to try.
5 seconds.
Crazy. So these games will potentially be getting DLSS in the future because now it's available in Unity. Next article. So Nvidia is now going to, it comes from WCCF Tech again, Nvidia is now going to revamp. From the rumors that they're saying, the 3080 Ti we know that the 3080 Ti, the 3060 has just been released, has a cryptocurrency mining lock which can be broken.
Right.
But AMD is now revamping their whole 30 series lineup with even more of a lock to not allow gamers or hardware acquisitionists like myself and you to mine on the side if we wanted to.
Oh, man. That's terrible.
So what they're saying is that they're going to be changing the ID, so the hardware ID, so that the old driver that was released will not work. So that's one of the extra locks that they're putting on onto the 30 series. Correct. So you won't be able, according to this, maybe you won't be able to man Ethereum, possibly any altcoins, and that's it. Just 30 series mining will become difficult, more difficult.
Brutal.
Yep.
Brutal.
This is good. Next article comes from videocars.com. Ryzen 5000G. So this is good for people who want to build PCs now and can't get GPUs. The Ryzen APU is on its way. Ryzen 3 with the Vega 11, I believe. Integrated graphics. You'll be able to play 1080p games, no problem with this thing. So Cezanne is on its way. You'll have a sick Zen 3 as a foundation with some Vega Radeon desktops. Well, not desktop series graphics, but you have some Vega graphics associated to this.
Right.
So you'll be able to basically game at 1080p low on virtually a lot of the esports games that are available out of the box without a GPU.
Right. I'd love to test that. We should get our hands on one.
I do. I want a 5600G or 5700G.
5700G.
Yep. 4.6 boost. GPU clock base is 2 gigahertz, 8 core, 65 watts. Looking good.
Yeah, I don't believe
Looking
that
good.
TDP, but whatever. 5 seconds.
Looking good. And that's it. AMD APU, good alternative for the no GPU crisis we're having now.
Nice.
Last article, PlayStation 5 runs only select physical games and no digital games offline with missing CMOS battery. So, yeah.
What?
Yeah. You basically, if the CMOS battery is gone, cannot do nothing with the PlayStation 5. So a few days ago, somebody reported that the PS4 console with a missing CMOS is not able to play any physical or digital games without being connected to the internet. Well, they shared that the PS5 can only play select physical games in the same state. So if the battery is missing and not connected to the internet, you can only play a certain handful of games.
Oh.
This is awful. This is awful. It cannot run any digital games without the CMOS battery.
That's like
it's just
communism
terrible.
in a console.
Yep. So basically, the digital owners of this console, if the CMOS battery dies, they're screwed.
Can't
They
you
are
just
screwed.
get a new battery? Like, yeah.
Oh yeah, you could get a new battery. But I'm just saying you're completely screwed. The longevity of the PlayStation 5, who knows?
It's
Something could happen.
oozing out of control. 5 seconds.
Yep. So this is not good. This is not good at all. Sony better fix this, but I doubt they will because PlayStation 4 has been like this forever.
Time's up.
And that's it.
So, my friend, now you have 5 minutes to pick one of these topics, and we can exacerbate all over it.
Oh man. All right, we'll talk about the. Let's talk about this.
3080 Ti. Who doesn't want to talk about a 3080 Ti?
Well, not just the 3080 Ti, the whole Ampere getting revamped so that you can mine with these cards.
Right, perfect. 5 minutes, let's go.
What does this mean to you?
But what does it mean to me? It means more control.
What does that mean?
It means more control. It means, yeah, you can have this, but you can only have it with these restrictions on it and this. And, you know, I understand the whole process is they're doing this to curb people from buying these cards for any purpose other than gaming. But that's not going to stop them. It's not going to work. Because if there's a will, there's a way. And people are going to get their hands on these cards, and they're going to do what it takes to be done in order to make them work for what they want it to work for. That's the whole point of PC, tech, gaming, programming, modifications, and open source platforms. That's the whole purpose. So it's not going to work. In fact, it's going to piss them off even more to the point that they're going to go balls to the wall putting their resources into it.
Why? If the CMP cards are coming out, the mining dedicated cards from Nvidia.
Yes.
Why would you waste your time putting your effort in cracking these things?
Because they will have no resale once their purpose is done.
The CMPs? 100%.
Yes,
yeah.
no.
100%. Yeah, yeah.
A gaming card used for mining has a value of mining and or gaming. So when one purpose is exhausted, it still fulfills another purpose. It's like saying you modify a minivan to run 9-second quarter mile, and when quarter mile racing is irrelevant, it can still haul your family's ass around fast. That's the whole purpose. That's the whole point.
That's a terrible analogy.
That is an amazing analogy.
Terrible. Absolutely terrible.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to say that people buy these cards for mining. They have dual purposes, and when one purpose runs out, they still maintain another purpose. So not only did they get what they wanted from the card as far as mining and getting cryptocurrency, after that, they have the whole concept of selling this card back to a gamer, which we know that if you just clean up the card and replace some of the grease, get it back, refresh it up, that card will run perfectly fine. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it's multi-purpose, therefore its value is higher. I'll fight you tooth and nail on that.
I don't disagree with you. I'm just trolling you.
We're on the same team. No trolling here. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying it's a bit extreme, and they know themselves. It falls into that category where they know we know they're lying, but we accept it and they keep pushing it. That's what I'm saying, and that's all it is. It's greedy corporation stuff, and I don't know. That's my take on it. You have a different take. Share that with the public.
I don't.
Share that with the 54 people that
Look,
are going to watch this video.
54. Whoa. We were getting over 100, and then I blame you.
I blame marketing. Let's go. What's your take on it?
Again, people who want to mine, they'll figure this out somehow.
Absolutely.
They'll figure it out. If there is a will, there's a way. But I mean, if the ROI, like you said, like once the mining craze dies out and they can sell these cards in a second hand, they can recoup back on their money. So
absolutely. And what's the availability going to be on this card? Is this something that's going to be available on the shelves again, or is it we're just going to fall into another 3080?
Well, it's not just the 3080 Ti, right? They're revamping the whole lineup. Any future 3080 or 3090 will have this lock potentially. 3080 doesn't exist though anymore.
No.
They'll never make any more of those cards. They're going to slowly phase those out.
Mm-hmm.
The 3090, would I see them putting this lock on? Maybe. 3080 Ti we know will have it. 3060 has it.
Mm-hmm.
3070 Ti will probably have it.
Yeah.
But maybe they'll just keep it to that. The 3060, the 3070 Ti, and the 3080 Ti will have this lock.
Yeah.
And the rest they'll phase out.
Yeah.
And the 3050 and 3050 Ti, that's rumored to come out, will also have this lock.
Okay.
But I believe the 3090 will still exist.
Yeah.
The 3080 and 3070 will be phased out.
Yeah. So tell me, what does this spell for the people that own the first generation 3060 Ti, 3070, 3080, 3090s? What do those people stand to benefit from those cards?
They got a collector's item.
They have a unicorn.
Yep.
Okay. What would you tell those people? Sell the card?
No, wait till all this stuff comes out.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't sell your card until you have one of these in your hand first.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. No more pre-sales.
You'll be able to sell the 3080. I hate to say it, but that's the scalp price because of the mining capabilities.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. You will get a lot of cash for it.
Yeah.
So that brings us to our 5 minutes on our juicy subject that we picked, which was the 3080 Ti. The whole mining craze and mining restrictions that are going to come into place. Definitely a subject. A very controversial subject because there are still people that did not get a card since September last year. Yep. There are still people waiting. Maybe they didn't have the ability to go in and put their name down. Maybe their states or their provinces or their countries.
Well, we didn't cover this, but MSI is canceling the Gaming X cards and changing it to Gaming Z. So if you have a pre-order on the Gaming X, they're canceling your pre-order. Sucks to be you.
Yep.
Sucks to be you.
MSI had it again. Wow, they're really like anti-consumer, aren't they?
MSI is anti everything.
That's really sad. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, but the GPU controversy is definitely kicking in. Lucky to have a 3080. That's all I can say. I feel really, I know what everyone else is going through because there was a period in time where we were waiting and we didn't know if we were even going to get one. Well, not so much you were triple lucky. I waited much longer than you did. But definitely it's a shitty situation. It's really, really crappy. And I hope that these cards will come out, and they'll come out in quantities where people can actually obtain them and use them for what they need to do. I hope the prices don't go up either.
Oh yeah, they're going up.
Why are they making them with lumber? Are they making them with 2x4s? I know 2x4s are more expensive now, but did the price of silicone go up too?
Yeah.
Definitely, everything got expensive. Crappy situation, but guys, this is our new platform. We're going to be doing this continuously every week. 5 subjects, 1 minute each, and then at the end we're going to pick one that stands out the most, and we're going to hammer it for 5 minutes like we just did. 2 opinions from both of us. I hope you guys like the new platform. It's a bit easier. Maybe it's a bit more engaging with you guys, where you can come in and not have to dedicate a full 50 minutes to an hour listening to us, where you can just get the information you need. All links to all of the subjects that you guys just saw will be in the description, so make sure to check that out. And come on into our channel and check out every other tech review that we do. Tech Review Wednesdays, Tech Chat Mondays, and Discount Game Review Fridays, where we just did a new game that came out called Enlisted. We had a lot of fun playing that. You, savior of GPUs, do you have anything to say?
No, nothing.
You have nothing to say. You've said enough, haven't you? You've said
Yep.
5 minutes worth of stuff, and then another 5 minutes of argument, and then trolling me. So
Well,
I
look,
think,
let's tell the users, basically, that our users are our viewers.
yeah.
We're probably gonna follow up with a Warframe update.
Oh, yeah.
Probably this week. We're gonna have a viewer that's gonna come on and explain what Warframe is and how it plays out.
Yes.
Teach us noobs how it is. And after that, we're gonna go into a different format for our gaming reviews. We're gonna
Yeah.
be doing Let's Plays.
Yeah. That
So
will
we'll see.
change
Yep.
up as well. So
And-
we're bringing in an expert on Warframe. So if you guys are interested in that, we're bringing someone in on that, an expert.
And we'll see.
Yeah.
And hardware reviews will still be every week.
You got it.
We don't know what's happening this week, but there will be one hardware review.
Won't be a GPU. Well, it
Won't
might
be
be.
a
Actually, it might
maybe.
be. Maybe
Oh,
we'll go
well,
back
maybe
4
GPU.
generations. We'll go back in time.
Oh, it's true. We're going to try to acquire a legacy GPU.
Legacy GPU. Get it into a system and show you how a legacy GPU runs on new AAA title games.
Yep.
Hey, why not? So with that being said, I have nothing more to say other than save your money for a 3080 Ti and try your best to get your hands on one if you're still trying to get a GPU. If not, you've got Ryzen coming up. And with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video if you like it. Leave a comment down below if you like our new platform. Let us know. If you hate it, also let us know. If you just hate us, let us know.
Yes.
And subscribe to the channel if you hate us, because then you can hate on us even more. So it's
Yes.
a win-win situation for everyone, isn't it?
Yes, hate us, please.
So guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
Bye, everyone.